القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. In this video, we will now look at the different categories of the med. There are many different categories of the med, and it's important for the student of Tajweed to know all of them. Now, the med are divided into two main categories. The original med, which is al-maddul asli, and the secondary med, which is al-maddul far'i. So al-maddul asli and al-maddul far'i. So one thing I have done, I haven't written any haraka on here. Why? Because you should know the word med, and this Hamza has got a fatha on it. The Sad has got nothing on it because it's sakin. This Lam is followed by Ya. So this Ya is the natural med letter for Kasra. So on the Lam there will be a Kasra, and that's why I haven't written anything on it. So it's Al-Maddul Asli and Al-Maddul Far'i. And the other thing you should know is because Fa is a Qamariya letter, so the Lam will have a sakin. The Fa has a fatha on it, that means the Ra has a sakin. And the Ain is followed by Ya, so the Ya is the natural med for Kasra. So there's a Kasra on the or under the Ain. So Al-Maddul Far'i. So these are the two categories of med. The original med and the secondary med. So the original med, we've counted some of them, which is the Alif wa Ya and Maddul Tabi'i. Now the count for Al-Maddul Asli is always Maddul Tabi'i, which is 2 harakat. Now let's have a look at the type of Maddul Asli. So Al-Maddul Asli is further divided into two types. The lesser connective med, Al-Maddul Silatu Sughra, and the substitute med, Al-Maddul Iwad. So these are two types of med asli. So the med is divided into two types, al-maddul asli and maddul far'i. And maddul asli is divided into two types, which is al-maddul silatu sughra and al-maddul iwad. Now let's have a look at al-maddul far'i. Al-maddul far'i is further divided into two types. So the first type is the med due to a hamza, al-maddu bisabab al-hamz. And the second one is the med due to a sukoon, al-maddu bisabab al-sukoon. So the med due to a hamza and the med due to a sukoon, sakin. So al-maddu al-far'i again is divided into two types, al-med due to a hamza and med due to a sukoon. So let's have a look. The med due to a hamza is further divided into four types. So the med because of a hamza, which is one of the maddul far'i, is further divided into four types. The first one is the exchange med, or the exchanged med, al-maddul badl. The second one is the compulsory joined med, and that's al-maddul wajib muttasil, the compulsory joined med. And then the third one is the allowed separated med, al-maddul jaizul munfasil. And the fourth one is the greater connective med, which is al-maddul silatul kubra. So al-med because of a hamza is divided into four types. So the second type of al-maddul far'i, which is al-mad due to a sukoon, is further divided into three types. Al-maddu bisabab al-sukoon. The first one is al-maddul aridu lis-sukoon. Al-maddul aridu lis-sukoon, so the presented sukoon lengthening. The second one is the soft lengthening, al-maddul lin. We've already had a look at this in the sifat. And the third one is the compulsory lengthening, al-maddul lazim. So al-maddul lazim is also divided into some types, but we're going to look at those types when we come to al-maddul lazim, because that's divided into further four types. So in the next lessons we will go through these mudud in the subsequent lessons. You should answer these questions and go on to the next lesson.
If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Salam Alykum.